Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Samla Pule ki bapuli haki undergraduate haki college baper haka Jylla Bynta ka kenti kilala benshim ya ka National Cadet Corps kom ka elective subject. Ya kini ki Pynbna baka NCC kenlong kom ka elective subject haki college baper la Pynbna do ulat ki Jylla usatya pal malik haraj bhavan haka jingya dan lang ki officer ka NCC u vice chancellor kinihu bat QA ki officer sarkar.
Certificate holder from the National Cadet Corps has been allotted to Pule. A proud associate NCA officer in the National Cadet Corps.
Director General NCC Northeast Region, Mrs. Hima, Predator Jason Yadav, Group Commander NCC Shillong, Professor S. K. Srivastava, Vice Chancellor Nehru, and Shri Sunirmal Bhattacharya, Director of Higher and Technical Education. As an ex-NCC cadet myself, I am very happy with the implementation of the proposal to make NCC an elective subject in NEHU. I am fully aware of the efforts that the NCC cadets put in for various activities. Now with this positive step, not only will the academic pressure on them ease, but they will also get more time to pursue their interests. This decision will make NCC a lot more attractive to the students, as it would be a scoring subject and also provide them a lot of opportunities to develop their leadership skills, character and physical fitness. I am sure that the university and NCC Directorate are making efforts to educate the student population on this, as time spent in NCC as a cadet is a life-changing experience that equips you with all the skills required to succeed in life and be responsible citizen of this country. I myself attribute my success in public service to the training I received and the values I imbibed in NCC. I hereby announce the promulgation of NCC as an elective subject in NEHU. I congratulate the ADG, NCC and Vice Chancellor on this important day. I am sure that the students of various colleges of NEHU and people of Meghalaya as a whole will benefit from it.